Welcome to our comprehensive guide on why starting an LLC for an HVAC business is an ideal choice for owning a company in the HVAC industry. In this video, we'll explore the benefits of forming an LLC, its advantages over other business structures, and provide a detailed step-by-step guide on how to start your own HVAC business as an LLC and obtain an Employer Identification Number (EIN). Let's start by understanding the benefits of forming an LLC for your HVAC business. 1. Limited liability protection. One of the main advantages of an LLC is that it offers limited liability protection to its owners, also known as members. This means that if any legal claims or debts arise against your HVAC business, your personal assets are protected from being at risk. 2. Flexibility in management. LLCs provide flexibility in management, allowing you to choose between member-managed or manager-managed structures. This gives you the freedom to decide how involved you want to be in the day-to-day operations of your HVAC company. 3. Tax advantages. An LLC enjoys pass-through taxation, meaning the profits and losses pass through the business and are reported on the individual members' tax returns. This avoids the double taxation that corporations often face. 4. Credibility and professionalism. Forming an LLC adds credibility and professionalism to your HVAC business. It demonstrates to customers and partners that you are committed to long-term success and compliance with legal requirements. 5. Easier access to financing. Banks and investors often prefer to fund LLCs over sole proprietorships or partnerships because of the limited liability protection, making it easier to secure financing for your HVAC business's growth. Now that you understand the advantages of starting an LLC for HVAC business, let's walk you through step-by-step guide on how to start an LLC for your HVAC business. Step 1. Choose a name for your HVAC business. The first step in starting your HVAC business as an LLC is choosing a name. Ensure the name is unique, relevant, and complies with your state's naming rules. You can check the availability of your chosen name through your state's business registration website. Step 2. Select a registered agent. Every LLC needs a registered agent, a person or entity designated to receive legal documents and official correspondence on behalf of the business. This can be you, a trusted partner, or a professional registered agent service. Step 3. File articles of organization. To officially form your HVAC business as an LLC, you'll need to file articles of organization with your state's Secretary of State or the appropriate agency. This document contains essential information about your business, including its name, address, and members' names. Step 4. Draft an operating agreement. While not always required, it's highly recommended to create an operating agreement for your HVAC business. This internal document outlines the ownership structure, member responsibilities, and how the business will operate. It helps prevent misunderstandings among members and ensures the smooth functioning of the company. Step 5. Obtain necessary permits and licenses. Before operating your HVAC business, you'll need to obtain the required permits and licenses. These can vary depending on your location and the specific services you offer. Common licenses include HVAC contractor licenses, general business licenses, and environmental permits. Step 6. Obtain an Employer Identification Number (EIN). The next crucial step is obtaining an Employer Identification Number (EIN) from the IRS. An EIN is like a social security number for your business and is needed for tax purposes and hiring employees, if applicable. How to obtain an EIN for your HVAC business. Option 1. Apply online. The easiest and fastest way to get an EIN is by applying online on the IRS website. It's a straightforward process that will only take a few minutes. You'll need to fill out the required information about your LLC, including its name, address, and the number of members. Option 2. Apply by fax or mail. If you prefer not to apply online, you can also apply for an EIN by fax or mail. Simply download Form SS-4 from the IRS website, fill it out with your HVAC business details, and send it to the appropriate fax number or address provided on the form. Congratulations! You've successfully formed your HVAC business as an LLC and obtained an EIN. By following these steps and leveraging the benefits of an LLC, you've set yourself up for success in the HVAC industry. Remember to stay compliant with local and state regulations, invest in marketing and quality service, and continue expanding your knowledge and skills to thrive in this competitive field. Thank you for watching our guide on starting an HVAC business as an LLC. We wish you the best of luck on your entrepreneurial journey. If you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult, you can employ a professional formation service to file your LLC. InkFile is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Watch the rest of the video, where I will show you how to form an LLC in under 5 minutes through InkFile. InkFile is one of the best companies out there to help you form your LLC. You can click on the link in the description to get access to this deal. InkFile is one of a kind as it offers a free package with services such as preparing and filing your articles of organization. Well, you still have to pay $237 for the state fees, which you would have to do anyway if you chose the DIY option. But looking at the bigger picture, all other companies will still charge their service fee on top of state filing fees. InkFile does not collect this fee. This plan already includes a free registered agent for your first year of subscription, and $119 annually moving forward if you decide to continue the service after the first year. InkFile's next packages are the Gold and Platinum packages, which both have package fees, already on top of the $237 state fee. Each package has its own set of services which are all worthy of the subscription you are paying for. The Gold package offers you the benefits of filing reports and taxes for your LLC. Every year, USA LLCs are required to file a state annual report. This report is essentially an information update of your file so that the state knows who is now in charge and how to contact your company. USA LLCs are also required to file state tax returns. To make matters even more complicated, your annual report and business privilege tax share a document and are due at the same time each year. With the InkFile's Gold package, you won't have to scribble notes of these reports because InkFile will handle the whole process for you. Your Platinum package also has these services in the bag with the unique addition of expedited filing, getting a domain name, and a business email which essentially increases your LLC's credibility. InkFile also has an exclusive partnership with Bank of America so you can easily open an eligible checking account for your business. Yes, it is a must for your LLC to have a business account. Remember, an LLC has limited liability, for it is a separate entity from its members. You may forfeit your liability protections if you combine your personal and business money, and this is where the term, piercing the corporate veil, comes into play. Piercing the corporate veil is an LLC jargon that refers to the court's action to hold you as the owner or member of an LLC, personally liable for the LLC's debts or actions. Now, if you have been sued by some lawyer who sees a crack in your LLC, they might resort to piercing the corporate veil in which you are in any position defeated. This is why opening a separate bank account for your LLC is so important. Do you like the level of detail I'm providing you in my review so far? If yes, then make sure to let me know by liking my video and hitting that subscribe button for more high-quality business content.